Hey everybody, this video you're watching is actually from clips that were sent to me by Laura Ehlen, who's been on our site, and you can hear her giving a kind of a rundown of what's happening clip by clip as Hurricane Dorian makes its way through Charleston, South Carolina, or at least the part where she's at.
It's Thursday morning at 7:40 a.m. Nothing too crazy. Winds are pretty intense. You can hear them. The leaves blowing. Raising up the trees. We're standing. Sideways games the rain. Woo. There's a gust coming through, making that tree dance. But for the most part, it's pretty calm. I think we're through the worst of it. Because we have no power, I am making hot water for some coffee. Because what else are you gonna do? Someone's fence blew down. There's a power truck out here. We're close to the hospital, so they're probably trying to get the power back on. Big branch fell right there. Otherwise, just